Hello, we have 5 to the power of t, and this equals t to the power of 65. We are solving for the value of t that will satisfy this equation. That means that will make the left-hand side of this equation to be equals to the right-hand side. Now, what we are going to do is observe there is t here, and there's also t here. So let's push this t from here to this other side of the equation. So we need to eliminate this t here, and for us to achieve that, we multiply this exponent by 1 over t. I have 5 to the power of t, and this is raised to the power of 1 over t, and this equals t to the power of 65, and this is raised to the power of 1 over t. Now, if you have a to the power of n, and this is raised to the power of m, this equals a to the power of n times m. So we apply this identity right here and here. So what I'm going to have is 5 to the power of t times 1. This is t divided by t. And this equals t to the power of 65 times 1. This is 65 divided by t. So from here, t divided by t is 1. So I have 5 to the power of t to the power of this is 65 divided by t. Now I have 65 right here. I need to eliminate the 65 and move it over here because I want the variables to be here and the numbers to be here. So for us to eliminate this 65 here, I can also multiply this exponent by 1 over 65. So I'm going to have 5 equals, this is t power 65 divided by t. I can multiply this exponent by 1 over 65. And this is 1 over 65 as well. So we go back to the same identity of a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times m. Applying this identity here, we are going to have 5 to the power of, this is 1 over 65. And this equals t to the power of 65 times 1. This is 65 divided by 65t. So right now, 65 cancels 65. I have 5 to the power of 1 over 65 equals t to the power of, this is 1 over t. Now, if you observe clearly, there is t here, there is t here, this is 5, and this is 65. So what I can do is to ensure that the 5 right here is the same as the 65 right here, so that it will correspond to the fact that the t right here is the same as the t right here. So because of that, we will ensure and make use of this concept. I can rewrite this as 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 65. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now, I have 1 here, and this one, I can express it as 2 divided by 2. I can also express it as 3 divided by 3. I can express it as 4 divided by 4. And I can also express it as 5 divided by 5. All this will give you 1. Now, which one am I going to use to replace this one here? I will use the one that will make this base here to be the same as this denominator of the exponent. And that one is 5 over 5. So I'm going to substitute this one with this 5 over 5. So I have 5 divided by 5 over 5, which is the same thing as 1, times 1 divided by 6 to 5. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. So right now, I have my 5. I can multiply this numerator, 5 times 1. This is 5 divided by 5 times 6 to 5. So let me have 6 to 5 times 5. 5 times 10, 25, 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 35 plus 1. That is 5 times 6, that is 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So this is 3125. So I have 5 divided by 3125 equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now, there's also something we can do. I can factor out this 5. I can have it as 5 to the power of 5 times 1 divided by 3125. And this equals t power 1 over t. Remember, if I multiply 5 with 1, I'm going to have 5. Now, don't forget this. If I have a to the power of n times n, this equals a to the power of n or raised to the power of n. So I'm going to apply this right here. So that means I will have 5 to the power of 5. And this is raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals t to the power of 1 over t. Now what we can do now is to find the value of 5 to the power of 5. And 5 to the power of 5 equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. And this equals 5 times 5, 25 times 5. 125 times 5, 625 times 5. This is 3125. So I will gladly replace this with my 3125. So this will give me 3125 raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals t raised to the power of 1 over t. So right now, I have 3125 here, I have 3125 here, I have t here, I have t here. The 1 here and the 1 here are common. So let's consider this identity. If you have a power 1 over a, and this equals b power 1 over b, I can decide to compare this exponent. So I'm going to have 1 over a equals 1 over b. Then if I cross multiply a times 1, that's a equals b times 1, that is b. We do the same thing here. So I'm going to compare this, meaning that I'm going to have 1 divided by 3125 equals 1 divided by t. So I cross multiply t times 1, that is t equals 3125 times 1, that is 3125. So this is my answer. Now, you can actually insert this particular value back into this equation, and the both sides should be equal. So our t equals 3125. And remember, this is 5 to the power of t equals t power 6 to 5. So that is 5 to the power of 3125 equals 3125 to the power of 6 to 5. Now, what I can do is I have 5 to the power of 3125 equals 3125 is simply 5 to the power of That should be about 5. Because 5 times 5, 25 times 5, that is 125 times 5, that is 625 times 5, that is 3125. So this is to the power of 5, and this is raised to the power of 625. So we decide to multiply this exponent. So this will give you 5 to the power of 3125 equals 5 to the power of this will multiply out, that is 3125. This and this are the same. So that is correct. That shows that our answer is correct. So that is it. Thank you. See you again.